sweating like we're running away from ice, just for you to bring you this content. We've put only 400 miles on our Supra. The exhaust is slightly better than the Turbo S, but it still sounds like horseradish. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and swap this out as fast as we can. Always counting on G Exhaust to hook it up. That's what a fucking Supra should sound like.
Ain't no way, bro. Yeah, a little floppy there, brother.
Let's give it some Viagra.
It needs some blue chew. Yeah, yeah.